The call of adventure is unmistakable. It tugs at your soul, urging you to seek out the unknown, to explore new frontiers, and to push yourself to your limits. And when you answer that call, you need a vehicle that can keep up with you. Dearborn Ford provides more than just a vehicle. We provide a gateway to adventure, reliability, and a partner in your journey. But adventure is not a solitary pursuit. It's about the community, the people who share your passion, who inspire you, who push you to be your best. And that's why our Ford dealership is more than just a place to buy a car. Our team of experts are here to help you on your journey because we believe that adventure is not just a pastime. It's a way of life, a call to explore, and a call to discover. So if you're ready to answer that call, come join us at Dearborn.